Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain introduction of Python and how to install Python on Windows and how to install Visual Studio Code. So let's get started with the introduction of Python. Python is a high-level object-oriented scripting language and it is an open source language and it is also a platform independent. So we can install and work with Python in multiple platforms like Windows, Linux and Unix, Mac. So let's get started with how can we install Python on Windows. So go to Google, search for Python, download for Windows, then click on the download Python and then click on the latest version of Python. I have already downloaded. So click on this modify, next install. So installation was successful. Then close this window. Open the Python windows. Then we'll try sample Python code. Print hello world. Enter. So we can get output as hello world here directly. Then we'll try addition of two numbers, x equal to 100, then y equal to 200, then z equal to x plus y. Y equal to 200, z equal to x plus y. Then print z. See, we'll get output as 300. Next, we'll download and install Visual Studio Code. So search for Visual Studio Code and then click on this first link. I've already downloaded. I'll just double click on this. Then accept the agreement. Click on next, 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 install. It will take few minutes to install. Just wait for a few minutes. Finish. See, this is the Visual Studio Code. So here we can check for sample example here. Just create one file and open this file. Save Python file as .py extension. Then just try a simple example. Print welcome to YouTube channel. Then give x as 100, y equal to 200. Then z equal to x plus 5. Print z. If we run this code, we'll get output in the below window bar. See, we'll get welcome to YouTube channel and 300. So this is the Visual Studio Code. How you can write Python code in this tool. So that's all for today's video. You please subscribe and share. Thank you.